So tonight we had an event where we had a chef to come out, a world-renowned chef, to teach us how to make healthier choices as far as what we're eating. A big part of the work that we do as educators is educating the whole child, and part of that is healthy bodies, because they can't perform academically if they're not healthy. So this is just that piece in helping us make healthier choices, learning how to be healthier so that they can come to school and perform well.
Y'all ready for me to start cooking?
Today I did a demonstration with ramen noodles, and it's a way to show the consumers how to cook ramen noodles.
The whole point was to teach us how we can just use the items that we have in our refrigerators at home already, not going out to spend any additional money, and using those items and making them healthier.
Healthy eating is very important to me and my family because a lot of heart disease and kidney issues and things run on both sides of my family, and so I'm trying to prevent that from happening to myself and my children.
Kids cannot learn or pass the state test when they're hungry. We understand that there's a lot of children that are going home hungry over the weekends as well as through the weekdays. We also see a lot of grandparents who have their grandchildren in their homes and they don't qualify for government benefits.
And you can do a lot of things from ramen noodles. I even use spaghetti, use it as a spaghetti with the ground beef, or do the ragu, paste it. But it all depends how you like it.
I hope they leave with the knowledge that they have the tools already to live healthier, but there are things that we already have that we can just tweak just a little bit. Like with the ramen noodles, we told them to throw away the pack, the artificial pack. The noodles, there's nothing wrong with noodles. Now, of course, everything is in moderation, and we want to make sure we pay attention to our portion control as well.